Most people are still using AI like a chatbot. Ask a question, get an answer, move on. But the people changing the game right now? They stopped asking and started delegating. They turned AI into a work friend. Someone you hand a task to, step away from, and come back to find it done. That shift is exactly what Claude Cowork is built for. And today, I'm going to show you how it works, step by step, with 3 real use cases that level up as we go. Here's a quick look at what we're actually building today. A chaotic project folder, sorted and renamed in minutes. A pile of rough scripts and notes, turned into a full month of social posts, newsletter intros, and a content calendar. And a competitor research report, built while you do literally anything else. That's where we're headed. Quick one before we dive in. I spend a serious amount of time hunting down the latest AI tools and workflows, so you don't have to. If this helps you, a like on this video means a lot. Now let's get into it. Regular Claude chat is like owning the world's best cookbook. Every recipe perfectly explained, but you still have to cook. Cowork is the personal chef who reads the same cookbook and makes the meal. Same intelligence, now executing. It's agentic AI. You define outcomes, it handles the steps. You manage, it delivers. Now, to get access, you will need a Claude Pro account, which is currently $17 a month. That's genuinely one of the better investments you can make right now in your workflow. Once you're in, download the Claude desktop app. You'll find the download button in the bottom left of your Claude dashboard. It's available for both Mac and Windows. Once you've installed it and logged in, you'll see the familiar Claude chat window. But up at the top, you'll spot something new, the Cowork tab. That's where we're going to be working today. Before you run your first task, there's one important setup step. Cowork needs to know where it's allowed to work. Think of it like handing your work friend the keys to a specific office. You do this by selecting a folder from your computer. Hit the folder button inside Cowork, navigate to wherever you want it to operate, and confirm access. From that point on, Cowork will only touch files inside that folder. This is actually a really important safety feature. And you can choose your model from the right-hand panel, just like in standard Claude chat. Sonnet is enough for most tasks. Opus is available for heavier work. Now, let's actually use this thing. The folder I selected previously is completely out of control. Random file names, no structure, total chaos. I'm sure you have folders like this too, ones you've been meaning to organize for months, but it just never happens. My prompt is simple. Go through everything in this folder. Rename each file with something descriptive so I actually know what it is. Then organize them into a logical subfolder structure. That's it. No complicated prompting, just a clear goal stated in plain language. Now, while it runs, I want to flag something. In this example, I'm giving it access to a folder sitting on my local machine. But you don't have to be limited to that. Inside Cowork, there's a connectors panel that lets you link up external tools. Gmail, Google Drive, Notion, and more. So if your files live in the cloud, you can still point Cowork at them and get the same result. Back to the task. In under 2 minutes, it's done. Every file has a proper name. Everything's grouped into subfolders that actually make sense. A task that would have taken me an hour of annoying manual work, gone. And this is only the beginning. Let's step things up. If you create content, blogs, scripts, newsletters, you know the problem. You end up with folders full of ideas that just sit there. You know they should become social posts, emails, maybe a content calendar. But that work piles up fast. I've got a folder like that too. A handful of raw video scripts and rough notes. As you can see, it's just a mix of random documents, ideas, half-written scripts, scattered thoughts. Here's how I'm using Cowork to solve this. I give it access to that folder and my prompt is this. Read through every file in this folder. For each piece of content, create 3 things. A short-form social media caption, a newsletter intro paragraph, and a content calendar entry with a suggested publish date and platform. Save each output as a separate file. What happens next is genuinely satisfying to watch. Cowork reads each file, understands the topic, and starts building the outputs. It's not just copy-pasting chunks of text. It's actually rewriting for the format. When it's done, I have a full set of ready-to-use content assets, plus a well-thought-out content calendar with a suggested date for each piece of content. In the calendar, Cowork also lists suggested platforms. Let's look into the details of the first piece of content. It took my brainstorming notes and converted them into a social media post. Let's read the beginning. The internet used to reward hustle. Now it rewards architecture. Not who posts the most, but who built the system that posts for them. This is a very good hook. To come up with such a hook, I would have spent a lot of time. Next, as I requested, it builds a newsletter intro, which gives me the idea to create a newsletter about this topic. If I like the idea, I can ask it to convert this into a full newsletter. Lastly, it gives me content calendar entry details, such as title, format, and primary platform. It even suggests the optimal date and time. And for engagement, it also includes a call to action. And as you can see, it creates these content outputs for all the other documents in that folder as well. Every note and script becomes a full month on the content calendar. This is the kind of work that used to eat entire afternoons. Now it's just a prompt and a few minutes. Let's move on. This is where things get really interesting. For this one, we're going to need one extra tool, the Claude in Chrome extension. Go to Google and search for Claude in Chrome. Click the official link and add the extension to your Chrome browser. It's free and takes about 2 minutes to set up. Install it. To check, go to Cowork and click the plus icon. You'll see the Claude in Chrome option under Connectors. Now your work friend can browse the internet on your behalf. It's like giving it a second monitor and telling it to use it while you focus on something else. Here's the task I set up. I want to understand what's working on competitor YouTube channels in my niche. What topics are they covering? What titles are performing? What patterns keep showing up? Normally, this would take hours of manual scrolling, tab switching, and note-taking. Instead, my prompt is, use Chrome to visit these 3 YouTube channels. For each one, look at their most recent 5 videos. Pull the titles, note which topics come up repeatedly, and identify any patterns in how they frame their thumbnails and titles. Then compile everything into a structured competitor research report and save it to my folder. I hit Run. Cowork opens Chrome. You can actually see it navigating. The tab it's working in gets highlighted in orange, so you always know what it's touching. It visits the first channel, scrolls down, and reads the data. Then the second. Look, first it opens the page. Then, to collect data from the first 5 videos, it scrolls down a bit. Not the full page, just as much as it needs. It repeats the same process for the third channel as well. After collecting the data, it starts building the report. When it comes back to me, I've got a proper research document. Look at this. It first gives an executive summary. Then it moves into the channels and provides a summary of topics, title framing patterns, and thumbnail designs. After analyzing each channel, it presents cross-channel patterns and strategic insights. For example, it highlights topics appearing across multiple channels and detailed title formulas. In the end, it clearly outlines gaps and opportunities in the content landscape that I could potentially move into. This isn't a vague summary. This is genuinely actionable intelligence, the kind a marketing agency would charge you real money to put together. This used to be the kind of research you'd either outsource or skip because it took too long. Now it's just a task you hand off before lunch. Here's one more thing I want to show you before we wrap up. Cowork isn't just powerful out of the box. You can actually teach it new things by installing custom skills. Skills are essentially pre-built workflows and areas of expertise you can drop straight into Cowork to give it a specific edge. Inside the Cowork interface, hit the plus button and select Add Plugins. By default, there are some built-in skills from Anthropic, things like sales workflows, productivity frameworks, marketing processes. Really useful starting points that cover a lot of common use cases right away. Say you're working in finance and you want Cowork to help. Install the finance skill. Then click the plus icon again, and under Plugins, you'll now see the finance section. Under that, There are various skills like financial statement and journal entry. Think of it like installing apps on your phone. The base phone is already capable, but the right apps make it yours. Cowork is still in the development phase, which honestly just means this is the worst version of it you'll ever use, and it's already this good. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I read every comment. And if you want me to keep building this series, write "continue" in the comments. That's how I decide which topics to cover next. See you in the next one.